Hello student, I welcome you all for my first online teaching class. So students, if I tell you that you have to classify the organism or you have to classify the things in your surrounding. So how will you classify? So तुमची आन्सर असतली living and non-living, metals, non-metal, isn't it? Right? So today we'll study a lesson known as the living world. Okay, the first chapter from your NCERT textbook, chapter 1, the living world. Now in this chapter we will study characteristic of living organism, 3 domains of life, diversity in the living world, universal rules of nomenclature and taxonomic categories. हे सगळे आम्ही शिकतले. ॲक्च्युली तुमच्या लेसनान हेजे पण खूप टॉपिक आसा, बट ड्यू टू कोविड पॅन्डेमिक सम पोर्शन इज डिलीटेड, सो वी विल स्टडी ओनली दिस मच पोर्शन. Okay, that already I have given to you all. Now, what is living? It represents growth, reproduction, and ability to sense environment. Then also metabolism, ability to self-replicate, self-organize, interact, and emergence. All these are the characteristics of living organism through which we can say that this organism is living. Means these categories defines the organism that he is living. So living organism should able to grow, able to reproduce, and able to he will have metabolic activities in the bodies. Now we'll study this characteristic of living organism in detail. So all living organism grow. Grow means they increase in mass and increase in number of individual. So for example, तुम्ही पहिला लहान भुरगो कसो slowly grow जाता and it attains a particular height. Okay, ताका म्हणटा आमी growth. So growth आमकां कशी दिसता? So we define it in terms of the height. आमकां दिसता ती की slowly ल्हान आसलेलो व्हडलो जाता आनी ती आमी कशें डिफाइन करता? Increase in height or also increase in mass. Increase म्हणजे weight. आम्ही वेटूय काडटा काय ना भुरग्याचे टाइम टू टाइम चेक करता, आमचे वेट चेक करता. सो तितून ग्रोथ जाता काय ना ती आमकां कळटा. ओके, एंड ऑल्सो इनक्रीज इन नंबर ऑफ इंडिविज्युअल. समज आतां आमी मागीर ग्रोथ कशें काउंट करता. समज लोअर ऑर्गेनिजम आसा, युनिसेल्युलर ऑर्गेनिजम आसा जाल्यार आमी तेंचे सेल्स काउंट करता. Multicellular organism grow by cell division. So multicellular organism, we are also example of multicellular organism. So we grow by cell division. So एक cell असलेले divide जाता आणि 2 daughter cell form जाता. So तेका म्हणटा आमी cell division. ते तुम्ही in detail कशे cell divide जाता ते cell cycle and cell division लेसनान शिकतली. In plants, growth is by cell division and occurs continuously throughout their lifespan. So plants ani कितें जाता growth जी आसा ती by cell division जाता and it is continuous throughout their lifespan. So for example, आता आमी आमची ग्रोथ कशी एका पर्टिक्युलर एजाचेर स्टॉप जाता का आमी ग्रोथ जायत वयता प्लांट्सा भशेन. जर आमी प्लांट्सा भशेन ग्रोथ जायत जाल्यार आमी कितली हायट 30 मीटर हायटाची इतली व्हडली जावपाची. इजंट इट रायट नो? So ताका लागून एनिमल्सान ग्रोथ इज लिमिटेड, बट वेर एज इन प्लांट्स मरे पर्यंत त्यांची ग्रोथ जायत रावता. येस ऑर नो? ओके, वेर एज आमची एट अ पर्टिक्युलर एज ग्रोथ स्टॉप जाता. In animals, growth is only up to a certain age. Cell division occurs in certain tissue to replace the lost cell. So तुम्ही म्हणटाले की certain age जाल्यार मागीर फुडें cell division जायना. Cell division जाता. Otherwise कितें जातलें असलें पळया. फॉर एक्झाम्पल आय विल गिव यू. इफ वी हॅव कट ऑन आवर फिंगर, ओके, फिंगर कट जाली मागीर आमचें कितें जाता? सेल डॅमेज जाता. सो ते सेल डॅमेज जाला परत आसले तशें कोण रिप्लेस करता? बिकॉज ऑफ द सेल डिविजन. परत आसलो तसो तो आमचो घावो बरो येता न्हू. सो दॅट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द मायटोसिस टेकिंग प्लेस इन द सेल अँड रिप्लेसिंग द सेल बिकॉज ऑफ द सेल डिविजन. Unicellular organisms grow by cell division in vitro culture by counting the number of cells under the microscope. आता आमी जाले मल्टीसेल्युलर, तशेंच युनिसेल्युलर ऑर्गॅनिझम, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अमीबा, आल्गे, युनिसेल्युलर आल्गे. सो तेंची ग्रोथ कशी जाता तुमी म्हणटाले. सो तेंची ग्रोथ आमी कशी काउंट करता? बाय काउंटिंग द नंबर ऑफ सेल. प्रत्येक सेल काउंट करता अंडर द मायक्रोस्कोप. In living organisms, so you can see here in the slide, okay, this is the Petri plate, आणि हांगासर एक आमी ग्रीड घालता, आणि हे बॅक्टेरियल कॉलनी. बॅक्टेरिया आर ऑल्सो युनिसेल्युलर, सो वी काउंट देम, कितले एका स्क्वेअरान कितले आसा ते अशें सगळें काउंट करता. सो इन लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम ग्रोथ इज फ्रॉम इनसाइड. अ डेड ऑर्गॅनिझम डज नॉट ग्रो. हे तुमकां खबर आहा, एकदा मनीस मेलो म्हणटा तो आनी ग्रो जावंक शकना. Now second characteristic is reproduction. The reproduction तुमका खबर आसा, there are two types of reproduction, sexual and asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction कितें जाता? Production of progeny. Progeny म्हणजे young ones or the offsprings or the new individuals जो form जाता ताका आमी म्हणटा progeny. Possessing features more or less similar to parents. So sexual reproduction जी progeny form जाता young one, तो आपल्या पेरेंट्सा भशेन सेम कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स शेअर करतात, सेम दिसता. ओके. Whereas in asexual reproduction or sexual reproduction, we know that it is formed by the fusion of the gamete. Male and the female gamete fuse jata. This is the sperm and this is the egg. It fuses, fertilization process jata, आणि embryo form jata. This is develop into a new individual. ताका म्हणटा आमी sexual reproduction. Okay. In asexual reproduction, for example, fungi multiply and spread easily due to the millions of asexual spores they produce. आता फंगाय म्हटल्यार तुम्ही पळयला आसतली, बुरशी म्हणटा ताका आमी कॉमनली कितें म्हणटा? बुरशे. सो ही बुरशी ब्रेडाचेर तुम्ही पळयला आसतली, फुलाचेर पळयला आसतली. जर ते तुम्ही मायक्रोस्कोपान घालून पळयशात जाल्यार तुमकां हे अशें स्ट्रक्चर दिसतले त्या बुरशीचे. ओके. ताका आमी कॉमन ब्रेड मोल्ड म्हणटा. आता ह्या स्ट्रक्चरान ताका स्पोरेंजियम म्हणटा. ह्या स्ट्रक्चराक दिस इज स्पोरेंजियम 4 अँड दीस आर द मायसेलियम. ह्या स्पोरेंजियमान खूप स्पोर्स असता अँड दिस ऑल स्पोर्स कॅन गिव्ह रायज टू अ न्यू फंगाय. ओके, न्यू इंडिविज्युअल. So you can imagine, so that this method of reproduction is called as the asexual. कित्याक हांगा fusion of gametes na, male gametes na, female gametes na. Okay, so this mode of reproduction is called the asexual. Then another example is the yeast and hydra. This is the example of yeast. This is the microscopic picture because this is the unicellular and it is microscopic. You can observe under the microscope only. They grow by budding. Now this is the bird. This is the parent cell and this is the bird. Okay, this is the parent cell and this is the bird. So how birds also mature that you can see this is small, little bigger and this become mature. It detach from the parent body. Parent body पासून तो separate जाता and a new individual forms जाता. Understood? In planaria हो एक planaria. So तो reproduce कसो जाता by true regeneration. That is fragmented organism regenerate the lost part of its body and becomes a new organism. So another mode of reproduction is by fragmentation म्हणटा ताका आमी. So example is planaria, flat worm. So हो कितें जाता, समज तो कट जालो जाल्यार तेजो खंयचो पार्ट न्यू ऑर्गॅनिझमान ग्रो जाता. You can see here. The fungi, the filamentous algae, the protonema of mosses all easily multiply by fragmentation. Another example is algae. So you can see this is the filament, it is cut. This will grow into a new organism or new individual. This will grow into a new layer. So this is the algae. Then this is the planaria. Now this is the example of hydra by budding. So this is the bird of hydra. You can see this is the tentacle. This is undergo by budding. Now this is the amoeba by cell division. This one single cell divides into two cell division. And this is the fungi which can multiply by fragmentation also and by spore formation also. So these are the different modes of asexual reproduction. Then another example is bryophyllum. हे तुम्ही commonly पळयला आसले, कोंब्याचे झाड म्हणटा ताका आमी. So ताच्या नॉचेसांसून मार्जिनांसून कोंब येता आणि ते कोंब new plants and develop जाता. So these all methods are asexual reproduction, okay, including this planaria. This I have highlighted. So we will stop here. If you have any difficulty, you can let me know. You can WhatsApp me, or you can message me, you can call me if you have not understood anything. If you have understood also, you can give me the feedback. Thank you, students.